in today's life we are going to fix some bugs. So yeah, let's go, how we can say. I have a freshly new session and we are going to use it. Very good. So yesterday, as you probably know, we started fixing these bugs and we fixed some of them. Today's goal is for me to actually finish these bugs and actually go and continue with the actually build, because I'm just fixing bugs and fixing them and fixing. And yeah, what we will do after finishing this, we will go to each individual section and check them. Let's say that. Okay, so this is a tricky one. Let me actually look on the live if everything is good first of all, then I could continue. Okay, I could hire a little bit of music. What do you think? If it's too high, it's too low on the... Yeah, we'll put some piano music because I wanna be relaxed as much as I can. So yeah, we will continue. Okay, so this is what we need. I'm not sure why I was logged out, but anyways. No, why I was logged out, I don't know. That's weird. What? Where are all my things? No, wait, I need to ask something. I'm gonna call somebody. Wait, what? What happened? Hey, did you do something on the panel? Did you do something on the panel?
What?
I don't know, bro. I was logged out and now when I came back, I don't have all the, let's say, sections. What happened?
What sections?
I don't know, bro. It seems like I don't have all the sections, and like my mapping, let's say my organized mode, disappeared, and it told me I need to do the... It showed me the demo thing, like if I want the trial, or how was that called? I have nothing.
I don't know, probably something happened.
What? Okay, that's weird. Anyways, how many... could you look on the admin and tell me how many sections there should be, like the number of sections? Because
What sections?
like dashboard, AI center, executive decisions. How many of them there are? Could you count them and tell me, because I'm not sure I have all of them.
Wait a second. Forty.
13?
30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. Okay, I have all of them, but it's weird. I don't know, everything disappeared, but anyways. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye.
No.
Yeah, so that's weird. I don't know what happened. Here, let me actually turn on the AC because it's pretty hot. It's so good when you put the AC. Like saves me. Holy. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. It's weird. But what happened here? I'm really interested what really happened here because it's kind of weird. And then my organization, it disappeared. Time. Let me see what I actually have done, because I don't remember which are done and which are not. So let me put the import, the fleet center, the bookings. The fleet center and the bookings. Where are the bookings? No. No. Folder. Okay. The import and the promotions. The promotions. And the import. Done. Okay. Counter time. Yeah, it's weird. I don't really know what happened, but anyways. Should I turn back time? Yeah, it's kind of laggy also. I don't know. Something definitely happened here, but I don't know what exactly happened. But what we can do nothing now. What I wanna see actually, it's something different here. Should we can turn back time? The Tesla, not in the bookings, but in the fleet center. Also, move this here, so it's easier for me to access the bookings. Now the fleet center we need. So copy the name, which is Tesla Model Y, but which year is it? Very interesting. Holy man, I don't know which year is it. Okay, I'm just gonna enter. Bro. Okay, it's this one. Okay, apparently it's this one with 2021 apparently. What I wanted to see is this 45, the fuel, okay. Okay, active financial payment, no invoices. Okay, upcoming. Okay, this is kinda not understandable. Okay. Reparations, fuel. Let's put, I don't know, 3,000 and see what happens if I do that. Expenses, activity, and nothing changes. Okay. Battery, but it's not battery, it's what? The fuel type, don't we have some sort of... Now it should have changed. Okay. Diesel. Okay. What happens if I do this? $3,000. Nothing happens. Nothing actually happens. So here nothing happens. Okay, it's really weird. It's really weird. Here normally it should change the fuel if I modify it from here, and it should update for each booking, or I don't know, but it did not, as you see. It's still the same, like just a line. What about the incidents? And same with the incidents, like it tells me it's 0. Down. Let's, I don't know. You see, yeah, it doesn't like load it, even though we have one. Okay. What happens if we make an inspection? Okay, maximum 25. Okay. It should change. But if I delete it, changes. But if I delete it, yeah, and the inspector. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah. Wait, let me actually fuel like this. If the fuel changes, yeah, it does the fuel also. Okay, I understand. And if I put something Holy, I understand. Now it takes it by the inspection, actually. Oh, okay. That's actually really good. Oh, okay. Okay, so if I do one more. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, no. Why did I close it? No, 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 not anti-craft. We need BooV. Why did I close it? But gladly on BooV we have memory, which is actually really good, if you ask me. But doesn't quite cache the memory. Anyways, we're gonna push and we're gonna clear all this because we have the actually mistakes that it fixed some kind of way, and we need to check them. But this is actually really good. Now I understand how it works. You see in here there is like the fuel and every part of it, and it's connected to the actual inspection, which is good. But what I don't like is that if I am making the inspection, but no, it's correctly, because wait, let me actually think. You could save it as a, yeah, it's a draft, and when it's saved as a draft, yep, no, it's working. This is actually working, and it's really good that we tested it and it works. So this doesn't needs actually fixing. Okay, please verify this active and press on the button. So this is actually really good, if you ask me. It's actually really good. So it's working properly. But which was this one? Is this from the bookings? Yeah, it is. This is a section from the nav bar of the bookings. I'm sorry, I came back. From the nav bar of the... Wait, let me check something, please. Let me actually put a different kind of like music, because yeah, let me put this type of lower volume a little bit because it's a hard music. Yeah, so we can continue, but what I wanted to do now, I don't know. Yes, to tell him to check the... So please actually verify if it's working properly. Every small detail, run tests in the DB. You could also run tests using the cloud extension from Google that we have. Yep, so he needs to check this. Okay, also let me actually give him something to do. Please verify this section from the nav bar of the bookings tab. You can run DB tests if needed. Also, you can use the extension from Google to actually do real tests in order to see if it actually works. So check every small detail and tell me if it has any bugs and fix them. Okay. I need you to please remove this whole thing from the nav bar. There is a thing called okay. What I needed to see if he fixed the first two. Okay, but let me see if he pushed and it's ready. Okay, it's ready. What was this? This is from the fleet center. Okay, let us actually check it. Okay, let's actually see. Bookings. It tells it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. That is good. 6, 8, 14, 22, 26, 30, 33, 37, 38. Yep, that's also good. Rented days from the last 14 days. Yeah, we established correctly. We can delete the bug. We have fixed it. And also this one for the fast actions. Okay. Okay, it actually did something. Okay, that's actually good. I really like when he is doing what I am asking him to. Okay, okay. But actually, what happens if I put it as I want to see something? Okay, I think we have a problem with this. Finalized. The ones these were finalized. Okay, but now there is another problem. I don't know what he will do after this. From the fast actions tab, there is a variant to actually sell the car. And it's working properly, but one thing that you did not take in when you're making this is that for the bookings that are like ongoing or are confirmed and those ones that are pending, you are not fixing something. So what I need you to do is to actually show me the bookings that are confirmed and like waiting approval for me to fix them, like we are doing for the maintenance. You see, you know, like to change the car or finalize the booking and tell the client. So yeah, some sort of tab. So please do that now. Yeah, it's good. Okay, he will do this. He will must probably do this too. He's doing this, he's doing this. Okay, let him finish what he needs to do. But this, okay, finalized. Okay, let me see something different. Okay, okay, let me actually change to something else. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. From the okay, another thing that I don't like is it's opening both calendars. Okay, we will fix that also. You see how it's opening both calendars when I would like to do that, but it should open only one, which will be centered or some sort of way. So if I choose the other one closes, so only one should be up. If something, this is from inside the booking pop-up. Okay. Let's start. Okay, second, third. No, we can put also second, but we can't actually. Oh, what? What happened, guys? What happened, guys? I changed it to something, but I don't know to what. What and where was it? I don't remember. Let me look on the live. Which one was it? Because I need it. It's important for me. D3511 D35. Okay, so actually another thing is wrong in the search bar, apparently. You can't find the ID. D351135. Okay, it's not one day, bro. It's sure not one day. This is not one day, it's the same time. It's what the hell. For the booking, you see the minimum like day time for the admin, but it's the admin, bro. Anyways, it's the admin, he can do whatever he wants to. No, but actually, yeah, you see how it shows me like hours, but in the booking it's one day, so it should be 0 hours as it is. Like down here to the period. Okay, we should start checking what he did. Okay. From the fast action step, there is a variant to actually sell the car. Oh, he is still doing that. Okay. Let me actually check if he did what he did. He is still building it. I don't know. We will need to take it step by step. First of all, let me actually check. Let me guess the usage. I think it's 60 already. Oh no, it's 50. Oh, wow, it's amazing. It's 50 and we are live for 30 minutes. Yeah, it basically takes me an hour to run the limit, which is actually crazy. I don't know how that is working, but yeah, we can say it's not looking really good when it comes to the actually usage of the limit, and I wanted to repair all of these bugs today. I don't know if I will be able to do this, but we will manage it somehow. I don't know how, but we need to do it in order for us to go down the road with the build, because we have a lot left. Like, you need to understand that I will need to go through each individual section. Okay, this AI thing, we'll put it at the end because at the moment we don't need it, and this is a last step thing that we will do eventually. And for the executive decisions, I think I will remove it in general, but also that's a thing for later. We will do that at the end. Let's see, dashboard, we will do it. Okay, the notifications, we will also do them. The branches, what is the branches? Okay, these are the locations, actually not the branches. The money center, okay, the payments at the end, it's something that we will need to do also, but we will do it at the end, so leave it. The web analytics, what is this one? Yep, it's a really cool thing we did with the globe. Okay, the vehicle reports page, we will also integrate it in something else. The maintenance, okay, it's good. The customers are still not visible, which is bad. The customer intelligence, what is this? I don't know, and I don't hear the stuff. And HR, we will remove it completely because we have another cool idea that we will do, but it's for the end. The vehicle reports, customers, what is customer intelligence? Okay, communication. I'm sorry, but this is also something from my idea that we will do at the end. Okay, reviews, okay, KYC center, okay, contracts, okay, contact, okay, but we could also do it contact. You know what we can do is, we will take it, where is the customer intelligence, reviews, contact, we'll take contact and communication, put it in here, AI center, put it in here, the team here, staff here, we'll write AI idea, because I have an idea that we can use for this kind of thing. advanced configurations. What is this? This is basically the okay, but actually I think we can also do something here. I'm sorry. Site content will be with I think the site content will be with the integrations together. Site content and integration should be together. So with integrations, let's together. I know I most probably didn't write correctly, but anyways. Executive decisions. What is this? This is something we need to get rid of. But bam. Okay. Okay, did he finish? Yes, he did. Okay, what we needed to remove, this is the waiting list. So did he remove it? I think so. Okay, he indeed removed it. We can delete this. Okay. Okay, next one. Bring both calendars. Okay, it tells me it did it, but I am not sure he did it. Okay, he actually did it, but it's going outside the model, which I don't really like. Yes, thank you, you fixed it, but I told you I wanted them to be centered, so like when I open one of them, it's in a long like line. I don't know how to explain to him. Okay, just let me do this, and it should be as long as the period and not that high. And if I open the other one, it should be on the same thing, just updated with the dates and the things from the end time or the start time. So yeah, please do that, because you see how it's going out and it doesn't look so professional. Okay, here. Okay, now for the what was it? It was here. Volkswagen, Marquez. Okay. Okay. Volkswagen. Okay, the Volkswagen. Okay. He did something here. But okay, another thing that I want here. Okay, thanks, you did it for the fast actions tab, but now if I will press on sell, it automatically, if I did not resolve them, or I did not press to resolve them, it should cancel those, like let's say bookings, and send an email to the client so he knows that. Okay, 0 hours, but in the booking it's 1 day, even though it's 1 day. Okay, where was this one? This was, which letter was it? Let me actually look. It's D3. Another thing, yep, we will need to do. It's D3 35 11 35. What? How? Why? Very weird. It still tells me 1 day. What the hell? And now let me just refresh. Okay, it's still 1 day, but it's a little bit weird. Wait guys, I will need to go fast to get some water to drink. I'm gonna be back in 1 minute.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know that there's a YouTube Music app where you can also listen to the EDM version, the ska version, and of course, the original version? Duh. Get YouTube Music Premium.
Clock on the wall keeps talking. Same 3 shows, we run again. Phone face down on the table, but I still check it now and then. Every sound outside my window feels like you right at my door. I say I'm fine to all my friends though. They don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting for you. Lights on, heart open, cup on cold, but the hope is golden. I'm still waiting for you. Same old song, still humming. Every little sign feels like you're coming.
I'm sorry guys, it took such a long time. I needed to do some things. And yeah, we are back and we are good to go. So, wait just a moment, please. Okay. Did he actually do something? Yeah, he fixed a lot. Let me push. Okay, I have just one question for him. Why is... Okay, so let's continue. Okay, this... Yeah, fix all of them. Yeah, fix all the bugs that are there. If you fix them, tell me. Go. I can see. Okay. For the first action step, but now on the certain life I did not resolve it. Okay, so it's with the thing. Okay, now I understand it. Let me see, did he push through? Yep, he did. Okay, no, wait, I'm confused a little. Thank you, fixed, I told you when to... Let's take for example this. Okay, he did fix it. Okay, it's good. But what? I don't like this. Yeah, but I don't really want this. Like, is I'm able to scroll? I should not be able to scroll. Only if I close the calendar should I be able to scroll. And it's too wide. Make it a little more narrow. And not that tall. Okay. But what tab did I actually tell him? Oh, the two. Okay. Not as already pressed to resolve them. Okay, so this is the actually. Oh, another thing. Yep. Okay, I don't know if I catched it. I did not quite catch it. Another thing that is wrong here. Let's say I have opened the calendar. I have pressed to close the pop-up. I close the pop-up. For a split second it shows me the calendar on the bookings page, and after that it closes. It should not be that. If I close the pop-up, the calendar should also close automatically without me needing to see it after the pop-up closed for a couple of seconds. Okay. What are you doing? Didn't you fix them one time like the previous, or are these another bugs? If these are our bugs, continue. Okay. Bum bum. Volkswagen. Boo. Whoa. Or is it the Polo? Yep. Sergio. Test and test. Okay. I don't like this pop-up. Please update it better looking. Now, normally, cancel, cancel, cancelled. Okay. Now the Volkswagen Polo should not be there. Bestseller. Do we actually have free Passats? Apparently, yep. Where is the Polo? it's not available. Okay. Another thing that I don't really like is that after selling it, there is not an actual tab to see where is it, or I mean, like, I am not be able to see it. So what I want you to do is to make a tab in the fleet center, like sold cars or something, or a button, and there to see the cars that were like, let's say, sold, and I could press and see the info about it, the previous bookings, or and some sort of information about it. So yeah, please find the right place in the nav bar for it. Now, did it fix? Oh no. Let me actually see what happened here. I don't know why, but on the last 3 runs we had some sort of errors, and this is the actual error. Please solve it. Bro, what is happening? I don't know, but it's quite a lot. Holy. Yep, it's a lot. We are 1 hour in. Okay, it's actually really good, but what I don't think it did, I don't know, we'll need to check this tab. No, not this one, but this one. Okay, I will ask him what comes through here to actually check. Performances. Okay. Holy, it's a lot. Yeah, I'll wait for the other 3 sessions to finish, and then fix what you need to fix. Yeah, when you're staying and think about it, it's a lot. It's quite a lot. Let's see, we will fix this too. What is this? What? This is not a bug, this is something. Okay, we'll remove this, it's easy. Okay, which is also easy. Okay, we need to tell him it's the same thing. Yep, it is the same thing that we are doing right now. Then why do we have it in ways. I will tell him just to remove it, because I don't know, is this the vehicle? The reports, I don't know if it's the same one. Let me actually check. Okay, this is for cloud, never mind. Okay. $12 101. Okay, I think it's really the same one. Okay, the data, it's nearly the same. I'll just tell him to, yeah. Come on, bro, what are you doing so much? 30,000 tokens, you're wasting my fucking tokens. Not wasting, but anyways, it's a lot. Just to check some things, bro. I understand it's a lot, but this is with the selling. Maybe he will. Come on, bro, what is taking so long? Okay. The reports. Okay, he does the reports and he does the activity. Okay. Holy, it's a lot, bro. Come on, bro. It's a lot. It is really a lot. Holy. Oh shit. Free bookings this month. Okay. it's more than 3 already. Does it change something? No, it does not. What one rented? It's not one rented, bro. It's not calculating the cars right. First of all, it's 20 vehicles. Second of all, yeah, that's what I'm saying. These are definitely not right. Definitely not right. Like, the numbers are not right. The revenue, let's see. I think none of these are actually right. You see? This doesn't change. Oh my god, bro. Well, nothing changes here. No, yeah, nothing in the dashboard is actually right. Come on, bro, what? What is taking so long? 50,000 tokens. Damn, bro. Okay. Thank you, I guess. Holy moly, bruh. Now we have a report tab also in the fleet center. What I want you to do is to take the things that you applied to and like the logic of it, and if it's right in generally, and put it in here because it's the same basically thing, it's just a little bit different. And the other things that are different, please put it in there. So basically take what is from here and not in the fleet center from the report and put it there. So yeah, you could do that. So at the end we have just on the fleet center the report. No, actually we can leave it. Nah, we will not have the limit to do it. We won't have the limit to do it. Holy moly, man. Yep, we won't have the limit. Previously you have checked the report reservations from the nav bar from the bookings tab, and you told me it's everything correctly. You did tests, you did everything, you used the extension and told me it's correctly. So yeah, please transfer. So there is two tabs identically onto different sections that do the same thing, so it's way easier for the client or whatever. Okay. Okay. Bro, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I am going to have a heart attack. What is happening, really? What is happening, bro? Like, really? First of all, let me look. What is really happening with this? $60,000 tokens. EUP. So we need to check the calendar and the selling car thing. %, okay. Bro, how? Bro, it is a lot. Bro, I just asked him to verify one simple section. Okay, it's not simple, but I told him one section, that's all. Bro, what is really happening? Finally, bro. Finally. Yeah, you can do it. Bro, what? It's not an anomaly, that, like, booking was set to me to 0 days. What the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? It's really a lot. Let me actually send it to him so he could do that. Oh, what the hell, bro? Holy moly, man. Bogdan, could you look on Discord what I send you and apply it to the SQL? Look on Discord in the chat. I send you an SQL to run in the database. And success. Okay, bye. Holy moly, bruh. That was really a hard thing to do. What is he doing? Okay, finally. Bro, I can't. We are out of this, but it did something. Damn, bro, I can't. Holy, I can't. And yeah, we basically did this. And come on. Okay, now you have run it. Now tell me everything that can come through here, like what can come from here, like cancel bookings, made bookings, or whatever status that comes through here. Please tell me and explain to me it in plain English. Is it ready? No, it is a lot, really. It's a lot of work and a lot of let's say people that worked and put it their mind to it. It's me and Bogdan. We are the people. Oh shoot, the 6 kinds, the color dots. A reservation comes into existence. Something about it changes, date, price, it moves between states. Okay. It changed vehicle, it was killed off. The record itself was erased. Okay, now let's do that. Let's check it. A reservation came in too. Okay, let's change something. I don't know. Let's change the date. Let's change the time. Okay, it should come through. Okay, the actual time changed. Okay, it's good. Let's change the car. I don't know. Okay. Yep, this works. We can cut it. I don't have memory. Yeah, I'm out. You were doing this on your last run. I don't know what is this, but please continue with it. Hello, 1, 2. Okay. It's finally done. What we could do now, first of all, close it, but no, we need actually to speak. What we have left to do with the bugs. Okay, this is nothing. This is also nothing. We will put, it's not correctly. What I need to do is actually take it and explain to it what I want to do with it. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, like when you're looking, I just did some 2 sections and fixed like some minor things, but these are the things that matter the most when it comes to doing such things. So yeah, this is the hard truth of finding bugs, and I don't know what people are telling you, but you can see for yourself what I mean when I am doing this, and you can probably see what is happening. Wait a minute. Holy shit. Okay, let me put it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Today live was great, and we will have a live in the evening. Thanks for watching.